Hello everyone, how are you today guys? It's me again, it's your Palalabs here. Kumusta ang mga kalalabs natin dyan? I hope you have a nice day and a great day morning. Ayan. So ito tayo guys, of course bagong ligo tayo guys as you can see. Mag-coffee tayo guys. Kasi feel fresh na tayo guys. Feeling refreshing at all na guys. Tapos na tayo nakaligo, di ba? Kain. Coffee. Gaaso pa guys. Nako. Ang coffee ko is tamang-tama. Hindi siya matamis guys. No sugar kasi yung coffee ko din guys. Kaya nga pala, ramdam ko na parang hindi siya masyado matamis kasi ang nilagay ko kasi is hinalo ko lang ang kunting ginger. So, I think I don't have turmeric anymore guys. So, Bear Brand at saka black coffee. May kunting halo pa ng 3-in-1 guys. Kunti-kunti lang. So, I mix it all. So, yun lang. So, ang result is hindi naman siya sweet. So, it feels don't have sugar. No sugar. But it still have a sugar, guys, as I know. Because it's not, guys, stevia sugar, no? So, yun ang update natin. Kain. Ang daming pinagsasabi, guys, no? So, I hope everyone dyan, nakapag-breakfast na din kayo, guys. Kumusta kayo dyan? I hope you have a nice and great morning. You wake up everything is good, everything is well, no? And then, you feel good, refreshing. Of course, ang mga pa-beauty natin, guys, our daily routine. So, hindi talaga siya mawawala. Kahit pa simpleng kahit pang low budget lang ba guys, no? At least meron tayo, complete na tayo niyan. May cream, may sunblock, Dito yan guys, kahit dito lang tayo sa bahay, we need to put it guys and apply, di ba? Kasi alam niyo na, panahon natin ngayon guys, very mainit. So far, so good. Busog na ako guys. Kayo dyan, I hope na everyone is nakakapag-coffee na kayo dyan, no? Sa mga hindi pa, so sabay na tayo. Guys, magtimpla na din kayo dyan. Sabay-sabay na tayo. Yun, mga kalalabs natin dyan. Thank you so much for watching. To all your love and support. Love you all. See you next again. God bless. Bye.